Hello everybody, Marie here with the McWane Science Center. Welcome to another Sci Sparks. Today, we're going to be experimenting with the property of sound called pitch, using a very high-tech musical instrument. Keep your ears tuned for some musical science. I said we were going to be exploring pitch using a high-tech musical instrument. Well, here it is. A PVC pipe, a film canister, a balloon, a rubber band, and a straw all come together to create a kazoo-like apparatus that makes sound when the stretched balloon vibrates. Here in front of me, I have two PVC horns. Before I go any further, let me play them both for you. Wait, that's interesting. They don't sound the same. One made a higher sound and one made a lower sound. But what made the higher sounding one higher and the lower sounding one lower? Let me explain. Earlier, I mentioned pitch, but what exactly is it and how does it relate to what we just heard? Well, pitch is simply how high or low a sound is. This characteristic of a sound being high or low is determined by the wavelength of the sound waves. A wavelength is the distance between two adjacent identical parts of a wave. When these are short, the pitch is high. When these are long, the pitch is low. Now let's look at the physical characteristics of my PVC horns to see if there's anything that might be responsible for what we just heard. Well, this one looks longer and this one looks shorter. Now let's compare that physical aspect of the PVC horns to the sounds they make. The long PVC pipe makes a low sound. The short PVC pipe makes a high sound. So, in the case of our PVC horns, the longer the PVC pipe, the longer the wavelength of the sound, and the lower the pitch of the sound. If we had all different lengths of PVC pipe, we could create a musical scale. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Sci Sparks. And be sure to subscribe to McWane Science Center's YouTube channel to keep up with new episodes. See you next time.